Alright, greetings from Adelaide. I'm back and I am here working on Frank the Tank again. Stage 2 of Frank the Tank build is finally happening. I've been driving it for ages and finally got a backup car, so I've been able to take it off the road. I'm at Auto Style Warehouse here where all the action's happening. So let's whiz inside, have a look around first, and then we'll go get stuck into it. This is one of the projects they're working on at the moment. It's a 1JZ or 1JZ for you Americans, powered Toyota Hilux, basically like a drift car kind of thing. He's basing it on a Hot Wheels car, which is kind of cool. It's sort of in the early project stages at the moment, all front tubs, custom chassis work, custom trail, that sort of stuff, but will be a very cool car when it's finished. Come through. That's Torre over there, he's doing engine stuff. This is Adam. He gets really upset when you go and turn his welding gas off while he's welding. No. All right, so as you can see, the car's all stripped down. I've got the door handles out, back windows, and it's basically what I'm calling a blank canvas, because there's got a few things that are going to get welded and changed and modified and hot rodded for all you people that like that sort of stuff. I wanted to do something different with this car because as much as 80 series Landcruisers are awesome cars, they're just unbreakable, and Adam's making heaps of noise over there, but it's all right because it's a panel shop. But these are just a beautiful old car, 25 years old now, which is amazing because I can remember when they first came out. But just wanted to do something a little bit different with it, so we've got it all stripped and going to make some changes to it that'll make it hopefully different to every other 80 series. But the main thing I want to say today with this video is that it's a new sponsor on board. We've got Burson are going to be backing this project. Really excited about that. Going to be great working with those guys. Hopefully have the car at some of the events with them afterwards once it's finished, but I've got tons of work to do, so I better get stuck into it. See, Tori's good at arts and crafts. Yeah.
Not good at spelling or reading or any of that.
You got to show me how you did it though.
Use that, make sure you got a dirty finger. Yep.
Using scissors, because there, and then you just basically stick it on and bog over it. Yeah, no, just kidding.
Or Bondo.
Yeah, Bondo for you Americans. The fact that we're welding straight into this groove here where the original door handle sat in, and it's got a bit of meat there, and we're sitting it in there rather than welding it straight onto a flush panel, means that we should get minimal distortion, because it's quite, like these doors being nice Toyota metal, are strong as hell, like they're quite thick, and that's the thing I love about this car. You can literally jump on the bonnet and you wouldn't dent it. Or hood for you Americans.
550 on the 5 sticky, come ride with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me, if you ride with me, you can slide with me, if you feel right. That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? Still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In the yellow bucket with the mouth stick. I've been drinking jams like wholesale.
And that was the last time the door ever opened.
With the old well, need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, on the best. Couldn't mess with you, couldn't captain. Homie spotted me like 700, got 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing push clouds till the paint feel like. Slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? You can slide with me if you feel like 5 bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.